Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul. Stopped in at Dollar Tree today to pick up a few items. How's everyone doing today? So we're gonna start over here. I have this piece of fabric right here. This actually didn't come from Dollar Tree, this came from Walmart. And over here I have 3 packages of the napkin ring holders. I am going to be doing a DIY with those. Over here I have a pack of the traveling coffee mugs, put your hot drinks in. I also have a pack of the little mouthwash cups. Over here, I got these super cute glasses, as you can see, ages 3+ in the color pink. They actually also had them in the color red. So I'll probably just give those to my granddaughter. And over here, I have an 8x10 picture frame. Right here, I have a fleece baby blanket. I'm also going to be doing a DIY with that. And over here, I picked these up from the craft section, the Floral Foam. I'm going to be doing a DIY with those. And Dollar Tree have all the lovely Valentine's Day decor out. So I picked up these hearts right here. Thought they were so pretty. In the color red. And over here, I have 2 of the scarves. Now they had them in another color, but I wanted this one, so I picked up 2 of these. I also picked up the LED string lights. Comes in 10. This is a 10 lights, LED string lights. They are battery operated, and they require 2 AA batteries, not included. So I picked up these little cute lights. Also have the booster, in-wash booster that you put in the washer when you wash for freshness. And I have 2 of these, and they are really good. I have used those before. And I have a pack of the glass cups right here. I also needed another brush for the dishes, so I picked up this brush right here. And last but not least, we have some batteries right here. I have the AA and the AAA. So yeah, this is my little Dollar Tree mini haul. Let me just take this time out to say, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lynn. I am so glad that you joined me. And if you haven't already joined me, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Yeah, so I'm going to be creating some DIYs. I hope you guys come back to watch that video to see what I created doing my DIYs. And if you're returning here, my old subscribers, you know I love and appreciate your support. So don't forget to join me on the next video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.